So here in this problem, it is given that the angles of a triangle are in arithmetic progression. Also, it's given here that the ratio of the least angle, whose measure is in grade, to that of the greatest angle, whose measure is in radians, is 40:pi. So we need to find out the angles of the triangles, and the angle measures must be in degrees. So let us begin. So here we'll suppose that let the three angles of the triangle be A minus D, A and A plus D. So here we're choosing the angles in such a way that these three numbers form an arithmetic progression. So it's quite evident that they are in an arithmetic progression because it has a common difference of D. Now we know that the sum of the three angles of a triangle, they sum up to 180 degrees. So we have A minus D added to A plus D. So this sums up to 180 degree. So here negative D and positive D cancels out, and when we solve for A, we're going to get 60 degree. That's fine. Now let's find out the least angle. So here the least angle is A minus D. Now this angle is in degrees, but what we'll have to do, we'll have to convert it to grades. So all we have to remember is the conversion, that in 90 degree we have 100 grades. So that means 1 degree will be equals to 100 over 90 on 10 over 9 grade. So that means since we have A minus D degree, all we have to do is multiply it to 10 over 9. So we have A minus D multiplied to 10 over 9. So this entire angle is now will be in grade. Fine. And then coming to the greatest angle. So here the greatest angle is in degrees, and it's given by A plus D degrees. Our goal will be to convert it to radian. So all we have to do is take A plus D and multiply it to pi over 180. And this is going to convert the given degree measure to radian measure. Fine. So now that we have the value of the least angle as well as the greatest angle, we are going to use the fact that the ratio of A minus D multiplied to 10 over 9, this is in grades, divided by A plus D multiplied to pi over 180. So this is given as equals to 40 over pi. Fine. So here let's simplify. So here we have 9 times 1 and 9 times 20 is 80. We can factor out pi from both sides, and we can also factor out 10 from both sides. And this is going to leave us with A minus D divided by A plus D divided by 20. So we're going to take 20 to the numerator. This is going to be equals to 4. And we know that 4 times 1 and 4 times 5 is 20. So finally we have 5 times A minus D, and this will be equals to 1 plus A plus D. This is going to be equals to 5A minus 5D equals to A plus D. So 5A minus A, that's 4A, equals to 5D plus D, so that's going to be 6D. Now that we have the value of A, we can easily obtain the value of D. So here D value, that's going to be 2/3 of A. So A we have obtained, it's 60 degrees. So 2/3 of 60 degrees will be 40 degrees. Fine. Now that we have the angle D, so we can find out each of the angles. So A minus D, so that's going to be equals to 60 minus 40. So we have 20 degree. Then we have the center angle, or the middle angle is A, so this is going to be for 60 degree. And then we have A plus D, so A is 60 degree added to D, which is 40 degrees, so that sums up to 100 degree. And clearly we observe here that option B is going to be the correct answer.